Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, we will give pencil scribble effect on this image. And this effect will give through action. First let's see how action is loaded. Go to Window Action. Click on the Lines box. And then click on Load Action. So this is the action we'll load from. For this pencil scribble effect we will need specific brushes. So we'll also load brushes here. Click on the gear icon. And then click on Import Brushes. It is important that these brushes are loaded, so that pencil scribble effect can be given on image. It is important that width of image is 3000 and height of image is 2000. So resize the image here. Go to Image Size. Image width will do 3000 pixels. Height is 2000, resolution 72. Hit OK and now image width is 3000 x 2000. RGB color with 8 bits / channel. Now select the image here. Go to Select Subject. This will make our subject selection. After that, create a blank layer named Paint. Now select the Paint Bucket tool. And we'll fill it with any bright color. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Hide this layer. Activate Play Me in the Action panel. And we'll play this action. You will see that it will create action layers as well as arrange them into groups. So our pencil scribble effect is almost ready. In it you will find a group for textures. It has 4 different textures. You can adjust further with Adjustment Group. You can colorize image in one color from group of 10 colors. And if you don't want to give color, that is also your choice. At top you will see black and white layer of image. Change blend mode to soft light. If you want to colorize image, create duplicate layer of background layer. Move it to top with Ctrl+. Select top B&W layer, press Ctrl, and click on Layer for selection. Active background copy layer and press Ctrl+Shift+I. The selection will be inverted and delete everything from outside by pressing Delete. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Reduce opacity to 25% for this layer. This will slightly colorize image. Now if you look below, a solid color white layer has been created. So we set the brightness to 50%. By making background gray, you will see all strokes clearly. So with this action we can give pencil scribble effect on image. This image was like this before and after became like this. I hope you like this action. If you want to download this action, link is in description. If you like video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.